Hello everyone. I hope you have downloaded the device Studio zip file. You can see here what you have to do. Right click and you have to extract the zip file. After that, go to the extract zip file like my zip file here in download section. Here you can see device studio 2024 A. Click on this. Go inside. Go inside the bin folder and click on the device studio.exe file. Double click. First click on the English and click on the offline. What you have to do, generate the license number text file. Click on this generate. You can see here the license number text generate successfully. Click on OK and click on back and close this window. License number dot text file. What you have to do, move to the Chrome and type here Nano Academy. Click on the first website nanoacademy.com. Go to the below section of this website and you can see the login to the user portal. Click on this and click on sign up because we not created account here. We have to sign up first. Let's type your mail here and create your password according to your own. And click on sign up. Here you can see you receive an email from Nano Academy. Click on this and open the mail. You can see we have received the mail from the Nano Academy. What you have to do, click on confirm my account. Click on this and click on the confirm tab. Now go to the sign in page and enter your email and password and sign in. First, you have to update your profile. Click on this and you have to enter all the necessary information like name, last name. After filling all the details, click on update and go to the product section. Click on device studio and click on start your free trial. Click on this and you can see the activate tab button. Click on this. Click on I have read the agreement. Confirm. And what you have to do, upload your license number text file which generated earlier. Go to the device studio folder. Here you can see the device studio folder. Go inside. Inside the bin folder, you can see the license number dot text file. Click on this and click on open and click on submit. Now you can see the license. Click on the download button to download the license file. Here you can see hjwtech.lic, the license file. Go inside the device studio in bin folder, paste the license file here and I have to rename them because there is one. Remove this and you have to and your license file will be at jwtech.lic. Your license file name should like this at jwtech.lic and go below the in bin folder. Go to the below section of bin folder. You can see the device studio.exe application file. Double click, click on offline. Now it's open the device studio application. You can see here. Now you can use the device studio for 1 month. Thank you everyone.